What fun this is now to have the opportunity to play for you a little bit how all these pieces of studying you've been doing are going to be able to filter into the into your everyday playing. This is something that eventually this is where this is all going. So a combination of some scale work, some understanding of the thirds and the fifths and the chord parts and things. I'm going to record your major 7 piece number 3. I'm going to put down some parts here. We're going to start off, I'm going to play a little bossa nova kind of rhythm. And I'm going to play in the left hand a little bass figure. And I'll tell you what I'm doing on the bass line. Then I'll put some chords in. Then I'll play the melody. And then maybe I'll play some string lines in the background, give you an idea of how all the layered parts are being taken from our knowledge of the piano that we're learning and be able to be put into a little orchestration kind of thing. Okay, let's listen to it. It's fun. So we're going to start off. We're going to choose a rhythm. I have the bossa nova, and the left hand I'm going to have bass, and I'm going to play the left hand. I'm going to play a combination of the 1 and the 5. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm approaching the 5th with the very next note below it. Now, I'm going to play it through right now with an electric piano playing all the chords. And in the chords here, you'll be seeing occasionally some 1/7s, and you'll see the 7th a lot. And you'll also be seeing the 3rd as part of the chord, and they'll be doing a lot of other things too. But within the mass of all the notes that I'm playing, there is 3rds, there's 7ths, there's 5s, there's roots, there's all kinds of things that we're learning, okay? And I'm going to play the chord in right now, staying away from the melody, because then I'm going to bring the melody in, okay? Go. Now we have that there. Now we're going to put in me playing the melody with a flute. Okay? Here's a flute. Actually, I'll put it in with a trumpet. Something that will stick out a little bit. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the bar. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I can put in some string lines, and the string lines are real pretty because I can do all kinds of things here. I'm going to explain while I'm doing them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with a 3rd, the 5th, 2nd, the 3rd, stay in the 7th, the 5th of G flat, 3rd of A flat, back to the 5th of G flat, 3rd of A flat, B flat, third of A flat, fifth of G flat, 9 of D flat, do all kinds of things with the degrees. Now, you have like a whole project there. So what I was doing is I was playing the strings, I was saying the different degrees. The ninth is the same as the second. Okay, so when you're going up the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the ninth is the same as the second. So as I'm playing these scaled lines, I'm thinking of the available notes within the scale. So really, it's kind of nice to hear the whole thing all come together. A couple of seconds of it here before we go. All the parts all layered together. If you work at it, it can all be attained. So give it your best, and you'll be doing this someday. Okay? Enjoy it.